Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to rotate Apple Watch screen. So, if you want to rotate your Apple Watch screen, whether you want to change the location of the crown, or you want to rotate the handband without changing the handband, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily rotate your Apple Watch screen. So this is more like changing the Apple Watch orientation. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to rotate your Apple Watch screen, all you just need to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once. Now, once you press digital crown once, you'll be taken to the app menu. Locate and click on settings. Then once you click on settings, you want to scroll down the page, just keep scrolling until you get to general and then click on that. Now once you selected general, scroll down general page and make sure you click on orientation. While on the orientation page, then you want to scroll down the page to digital crown. If you want to rotate the digital crown to left, and this is going to rotate your Apple Watch face. If you want to bring it back to right, select right, and this is going to rotate the Apple Watch face back to right. Then here you can also change the wrist by selecting right or left wrist. So this depicts which type of hands you want to strap your Apple Watch. So to change the orientation or rotate the screen, just select left or right on that digital crown, and that is going to rotate your Apple Watch screen. So that is basically how to rotate screen on Apple Watch. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.